In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and download Discord app on your iPhone. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to go to your Apple Store, after which you simply search for Discord. So once you get it, use it here. You simply need to click on what? Get. Install. So this might take a while, so you simply need to wait. So once it's done, you simply click on what's open. After which, if you already have your account, you simply need to insert, click on what's login. So we're going to create an account. Click on register. From there, you can either use your telephone number or your email address. So we're going to use our email address. You insert it here. After which, you click on what? Next. After that, you simply need to insert your what? Your name, your display name. So I'll just say Mokobe Tech. Or you can simply skip this step. Once you're done with that, click on next. Okay, you insert your password. That's the username. Insert your password. Once you're done inserting your password, you click on what? Next. Your place of birth. So after which you click on what? Create account. So guys, simply need to wait to confirm if you are a human. Click on what? Confirm. Click this. In your own case, it might be different for this verification. So guys, after which you simply need to verify your email address. Click on what? Verify by email. Send it. So you simply need to go and open your email address. Simply click on what? Verify email. Choose a browser. Click on human. So guys, we are done verifying our email address. So we are going to click on continue to Discord. So guys, we successfully downloaded and installed our app.